Yeah, I don't mind my hairy wig. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. Ooh, let me put y'all up here. Well, I know I'm looking a mess, y'all, and I know I'm looking a mess, y'all. I hope my phone don't fall. But I'm finna yesterday. Look on my face. Yesterday I had I can't even talk for real. But yesterday, y'all, I went to the nail shop. Y'all saw that. I didn't do no intro. I should get my car clean later on, but I didn't do no intro or whatever. But right now, I'm gonna go get my car fixed because, baby, I need a control arm, some shit like that, ball joint, some shit like that, on my right passenger. So I'm finna go put that on. I'm finna go get that put on. I'm just so happy, y'all. I'm getting everything out the way because I hope y'all can't hear this because y'all, like, my car, like, I just paid my car off, and out of all the cars I had only my first car I had owned because I had bought it. And after every car after that, y'all, I never owned, like, you get what I'm saying? I never was able to keep a car long enough to finish off my payments. Why you riding my ass like you crazy? Like, bitch, go around. But anyway, I never owned a car. Like, I never owned my car, and I love my car, y'all. Like, I love my car. I'm, like, so grateful. Like, y'all, I be thinking back. I know I'm all over the place, but let me say this. Y'all, I be thinking back, and I just be thanking God, like, wow, I came a long way. Like, if you really know me, like, you know I came a long way. Like, I'm just so happy. I'm so proud of myself, and I'm so grateful to God. Like, wow. But yeah, so I own my car or whatever, and I just don't want to just. A lot of females just think, a lot of young people and females think you just get in your car and drive. Like, and I know that, like, I be doing my shit. But yeah, I'm gonna get my car fixed or whatever, bitch. Not cheap. I gotta pay them $125. Then the part was $175. But my uncle worked at the thing, so baby, I got that discount. But yeah, y'all. So today it's not that really on agenda today. Yesterday I went to Walmart. I had got some graphic tees like this, some leggings, because I am finna start working out. Hope we be consistent. But I'm finna start working out or whatever, and yeah, I'm finna start working out with my brother. Cause baby, I need to get this body how I want it. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, so y'all might see me go to the gym. I gotta get a membership for the gym. I need to go to Target so I could get some. I'm not gonna say y'all just gonna see. But I need to go to Target. I need to go to the gym to get the card. I need, what else I said? know. I might go to the grocery store to pick up a couple of items for this week. And I think that's all. Is that all today? And then my cousin, baby daddy, whatever, his birthday today. So I don't know. I might go to what the fuck they doing today. I don't know. I might vlog there. Cause y'all got a new camera. I got a new camera coming today, y'all. And yeah, y'all know I be a little shy and like my anxiety goes through the roof like when I'm vlogging in public because people be just be staring. So I got a new camera. Hopefully it don't draw too much attention. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all like this video because I'm about to start being consistent. I know I say that every time, but baby, I'm gonna start being consistent because I need to get in this content bag, okay? So I'm gonna be more consistent, I promise. Then I gotta put my wig on also, so I'm probably do that when I get home because yeah, it's like 8 something in the morning, and I thought I was gonna get some rest because baby, I gotta wake up at 7 o'clock, 7:50 every morning to clock on to work, but I guess not. So it's 8 something. So when I get back home, I'm gonna put my wig on, y'all, because I'm tired of looking like a bum. Like I look like a fucking bum. They don't give a fuck about life. But yeah, so I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, just comment to like engage and conversate with me so I can know like y'all real deal fuck with my vlogs, like y'all real deal fuck with me. But anyway, yeah, toodles. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Y'all probably gonna be seeing cool ass. Y'all, oh, it's 2 of them. Y'all probably gonna see can y'all see them? Yeah, I saw them drop ass, but they like in this old school choir. But yeah, yeah, so y'all probably gonna see me. I'm probably gonna turn the camera on when they're working on my car. Peace. I really want to know. I'm at Target right now. I really want to know what's the difference between these two. Oh, non-burning for sensitive mouth. This, what is 𝙁𝙤𝙡𝙀𝙀? They got other colors. PC formula. For a bright smell. I think I'm gonna do this one because my teeth real sensitive.
Damn, I'm all on my damn nose and tongue and shit, bro.
And I'm posting it. You can. Come on. Got mouthwash. Now one more thing, I gotta get my plug-ins because baby, I missed it. Okay. So these type of plug-ins I use. Hold up. I'm trying to figure out which one. I need oven cleaner.
Oh, okay.
What a big pack at? They ain't got no more big pack.
I see it.
Which kind? Damien. These. Oh, what's this? Cotton cloud. Let's smell this one. Clean. Sky and sea salt. Kitchen, bathroom, my room, living room, dining room. My fucking tooth hurts so bad. Which one?
What?
This one or this one? Smell it. You gotta smell the damn hole.
What?
Don't you see that? The sticker? Right there.
This one.
Okay, so I'm getting this one for $11.99, y'all.
Yeah, that one.
I think that's all I need. Let's see if they got some oven cleaner, because Walmart didn't have none. Come on, Richie. I don't see none. Hey y'all, hold up. Hey y'all, I'm back with it. Well, I'm not back because it's the same vlog, but y'all, I'm looking a little not together. But right now we're about to go to the grocery store because we gotta get the meat and the food for 4th of July, because y'all know the 4th of July is next Tuesday. So we plan on cooking and barbecuing. And I'm gonna take y'all with me, and we're gonna get some meat and some little sides to go with the meat. So yeah, what you got to say?
My mommy had bought me some clothes yesterday. I fit them on last night, but they was a little bit pretty. I liked it.
So y'all, yeah, let's get it. Boy, I'm gonna hit y'all back up when we get to the store.
And then nobody don't hi guys, this is May from Walmart.
It's taking too much. It's fine. No, it's not like good.
Yeah. We up here at Walmart. Baby girl. She trying to direct.
Oh, I would. Hey, you guys. I'm back. Still looking like a bum. Still with my baby daddy. But y'all, we at this fireworks place right here. Give my baby some little fireworks. My baby only 5 years old. I still got the glue on my hair, y'all, but it's fine. I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow. Ain't that right? Because he's gonna pay for it. Oh, for real. She coming over in the morning.
Ooh.
But yeah, we finna go out here and get my baby
Turn
like
right back around.
some little poppers and some sparkles, because we don't pop fireworks. I know damn well I don't pop fireworks. Be too hot to pop fireworks, so we finna just give my baby some fireworks. And yeah, so we finna go in here and get these fireworks. Come on. It's hot as hell. Damn, I ate all that ice. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to record, y'all. I'm probably gonna have to do like fast forward with no sounds, because bitch, they playing music. So we gonna have to, yeah, do what it do. So come on. These things $1. Oh, they just bring out. Come on. They just bring out smoke. They just smoke. You don't hear me? Dang, but they just bring out smoke?
It's a bomb, man.
No, it ain't. It say smoke white. I should give this $1.
I'm popping.
Where? Are these 75 cents? You should go get one of them buggies like that. See, right now we at Best Buy. I'm trying to look for, here go the cameras. I'm looking for an SD card right here for my new camera. And baby, why these motherfuckers is high, baby? This shit. I need a micro SD though. These not micro. Here go a micro, but bitch, they want $20. But that's because it's a 128. I don't need all that. And this not a micro. This is the micro that I need. But bitch, I don't need all that. You know what I'm saying? Baby, they want $34. Yeah, my pockets ain't like that. This look like, right? That's what I'm saying. They don't have no micro.
I got me something to drink.
Am I missing something or something? Here go 128. That's what I'm saying. Like, why they only got the. Yeah, they got some more down here. You don't see none? What the fuck? Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna get back to you. I'm finna find the ones that I need. Cause these are like, oh my God, it freaking worked. So yeah, we at Best Buy. This is a new camera that I got, y'all. Oh, him.
He probably an entrepreneur.
Why you say that? Why you say that?
Look at him.
He talking about him.
When he dressed. Got purple jeans. I never spent a band on purple jeans.
I won't spend a band on no jeans, to be honest. But y'all, this is my naked. Y'all, we literally in.
Oh, he probably on YouTube. He probably finna come get a camera.
Y'all, we literally just walked out of Best Buy, and I had this camera for a whole month now. I mean, a week now. I know. Do y'all have gas? Another gas go out there? I don't think so. You don't even know how much gas I got. Ask Mama, can you $10?
No.
Ask him.
No.
Come on.
Right, man, I finna pour this juice.
Girl, you was not broke.
Bro, what the fuck?